My name is Pura Claribel Cornelio. I study in the University Abiertos para Adultos UAPA, Tourismus Management. I speak about from cultural tourismus and ecotourismus in the Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic is a country rich in culture due to the Spanish colonization. Today we have many monuments and buildings from the time of colonization. Some of these are humanitarian patrimony as the colonial art. Another cultural attraction is the lighthouse. The work of architecture was designed by architect G.L. Glyph. It housed the remains of Christopher Columbus and kept inside of a permanent exhibition. Holds information, American histories and cultures of our country and other remote regions. We can also visit the Basilica of Higüey, comprising one of the country's most respected religious monuments and one of the most visited by devotees of the Virgin of Altagracia. So, now speaking about ecotourism in the Dominican Republic. 20% of the island in the Dominican Republic has been set aside for preservation, helping to ensure that visitors can experience the island in incredible ecological diversity. In all the Dominican Republic, both 19 national parks, 32 sanctuaries, here are some of the best. The Dominican Republic Sanctuary of the Marine Mammals is conveniently located near one of the island's most popular tourist areas, Samaná, stretching between Christmas Bank and the Bay of Samaná. The sanctuary encompasses the Humbug Whale watching cruise and be chartered out Samaná, Bahia. Los Aitices National Park, also near Samaná, is Los Aitices National Park famous for his mangrove coastline, caves and petrography. So, the problems of the culture and ecological tourism in the Dominican Republic. The tourism in the country would rank among the top tourist destinations in the Caribbean and Latin America. In the present, the Dominican Republic in the culture tourism and ecotourism has a similar problems that are lack of maintenance to the sites, the destruction of the fauna and flora of the tourist areas, bad roads and lack of roads to get to the attraction tourists. It has problems with water in the tourist areas, pollutions with the large number of the buses for this activity and especially the increase in the crime in recent times. The solution of the cultural and ecological tourism in the Dominican Republic. The solution to enlarge cultural tourism such as ecotourism is simple. The government to invest more money in the maintenance for the sites, rebuild and build more roads, also take action for the college of water and landfills, should create conscience of the society, the protection of the environment starting in the school and home. The social security better training the national police. Thank you very much.